Welcome to DJ's Pristine Sports. We've just acquired this lovely example of a Mazda 6. It's a 2 litre petrol SE with a high specification. Drives fantastic. You can see it's got the front park distance control, alloy wheels, it's in lovely white, privacy glass to the rear park distance control, twin exhausts. Absolutely lovely paintwork. Just a bit of polish there just to get off. Side of the car, boot area is lovely. The rear seats do come down. Rear seats lovely, back of the seats all nice. Electric windows, electric mirrors. No wear on the seat bolster. Got cruise control. It's only done 50,693 miles. Multifunction steering wheel, 6-speed gearbox, iDrive, satellite navigation, media pack, Bluetooth connectivity, front and rear park distance display, audio and visual, air conditioning, nice centre armrest, aux and USBs. Great value for money. At DJH, we provide full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.